Welcome to part 82 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning English for business meetings. Whether you chair meetings or just attend them, these phrases are essential. Let's start with opening a meeting. Shall we get started? Thanks everyone for coming. Let's begin. Today's agenda covers 3 points. The purpose of this meeting is to discuss how to contribute to a discussion. I'd like to make a point here. If I may, I'd like to add something. Could I come in here? Politely interrupting. Following on from what you said, building on someone's idea. Agreeing. I completely agree with that. That's a good point. Absolutely. That's exactly what I was thinking. Disagreeing politely. I see your point, but I think, with respect, I'd argue that. I'm not sure I agree. Here's why. Asking for clarification. Could you clarify what you mean by that? Sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you repeat it? Moving the discussion forward. Shall we move on to the next point? Let's come back to that later. Wrapping up. To summarize what we've agreed. The next steps are: thanks everyone. The minutes will be circulated by Friday. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.